Hello my dear, welcome back to the next class of class 10 maths. Okay, as we have as of now we have finished what is that? That is exercise chapter 5, exercise 5.1, right? Okay, so here to work out this exercise 5.2. Okay, so we need to know something. What is that? an. So this how we can, you have to remember this formula. That is what an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n term, this is the n term, and this is the what first term, and this is number of terms. Okay, number of terms, and this is the common difference, right? And also we have learned how to find what general term of every general term of an AP. General term of an AP is given by a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus d, a plus 2d, and then a plus 3d. Okay, a plus 4d. Okay, a plus 5d. Okay, and then so on. Okay, and then so on. So general term of an AP is given by this is the first term, second term, and this is the third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Okay, okay, fine. Let me show you how it is. Okay, suppose we are going to find out what the first term. How we can find out the first term? How many? So how many? What is that terms are there? How many terms will be there in the first term? Only one, right? Only one. Only one. So n equals to 1 means that is what? Only one term. So if we apply this formula, okay, that means it will be how much? A1. Okay, A1 equals to how much it will be? That is what? A plus. Okay, n will be how much? N minus 1 into common difference is not known yet. Okay, so it will be given by what? This n equals to how much it is? So this is 1, right? So 1 minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, into d, that means a plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, 2. So that means a plus 0 equals to a. That means a1 equals to a. So what is that? This one is, that means this is equal to first term, and this is equal to second term. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, right? That in the same way. Okay, in the same way we have to find out. Suppose if we are going to find out our fifth term. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the fifth term, right? So one is to write the what to represent a general form of an AP. So you have to what is that? What is that? So it will be one less. Okay, so what term is this? This is the fifth term, right? Okay, fine. So how to find out this? Okay, fifth term. I'm talking about a fifth term, A5. Okay, A5. In A5 means what? This is the fifth term. How many terms will be there? How many terms will be there? 5 terms. That means n equals to 5. Then how to get this? Let's see. So what is that? If we use this formula, n term formula, that means it will be given by, why it is 5? Because 5 number, what is that? n equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that means it will be what? A5, right? Why it is A5? Because n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 means what? Number of terms available. Okay, that is first term plus what is that? N equals to how much? 5. 5 minus 1, that is A plus, it will be what? 40. 5 minus 1, that is 4 into d, that is 40. So in this way we can find it out, right? Okay. Okay, my dear. So come back to the point. So here the question is asking us to find a fill in the question number 1. What it is asking about? Fill in the blanks in the following table. So this is a table. Okay, some blank spaces are there, so we have to fill it. Okay, and some terms are given. Okay, and then given that A is the first term, CD, that is common difference, that is D, and AN is the what? N term. AN is the n term is the n term of the AP. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find fill the blank spaces. Fill the blank space. Okay, so how we can find out? By using this formula. By using this formula. What formula is this? N term. This is the formula to what? To find out the what? N term. Of what? Of an AP. Okay, fine. So this Roman number 1 and Roman number 5 is same. So I'll be doing Roman number 5. Okay. So what is given here? The first term is given. Here also first term is given. So here common difference is given 3, and what is that? Here 0, and here what is the number of terms are given here? These are the number of terms. So here it is not given. That means we have to find the number of terms here. Okay. So here n term. So in the first condition, okay, what is not given? N term is not given. So we have to find out. Okay. And here also what is not given? The n term is not given. I mean the last term is not given. How many terms are there here? Okay, here 8 terms. So here 10 terms. In Roman number 3, how many terms are 18 terms? Roman number 4 is not known. It's not given. We have to find that. And Roman number 5 is what? How many? 105 terms are there. Okay. So let us solve one by one. So let me solve this. Roman number 2. Given, first of all, let us write given. A is the what? The first term, since it is clearly mentioned, right? So A equals to how much? That is minus 18. Minus 18, and then what is not given? D is not given. D we have to find out. Okay? And then what is given? What is given? N, number of terms equal to what? 18. And then what is given? D is given. D is not given. D is not given. So here, so it is 10, not 0, not 18. So what is that? N term equal to how much? That is 0. Okay, we have, right? Okay, what we have? We have n term of an AP is given by a n equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? Therefore, I write here a n is given or not? It's not given. Oh, it is given. So a n. I'm replacing this a n by 0. 0 equals to how much it will be? First term is minus 18 plus, and then number of terms are, what is the number of term? N equals to 10. So it will be 10 minus 1. D equals to is not given. So we have to find D, right? We have to find D. 0 minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. So we have almost got the answer, right? So it will be what? 0. Let us transpose this minus 18 to the what? Left hand side of the equation. Okay? Now it will be what? Plus 18. So here 90, right? So it will be how much? It is 18. So here 90. That means what is that? I write here. So D equals what? It will be 18 upon 9. So how much it is? 2. That means D equals what? 2. Correct? This is the answer. So here what will come? 2. Right? Okay, fine. Next one. Next, there is Roman number 3. So here also you write given. Whatever is given, just you write. Okay? First term is given or no? First term is not given. And then what is given? Common difference D is given. D equals to how much? Minus 3. And then n equals to number of terms equal to what? 18. And then what is given? N term. N term equals to minus 5, right? And now you write, since we have to find the first term, right? First term, okay? We have, just you write, we have n term is given by a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So n term is, okay, n term is given. What is the n term? Minus 5. Therefore, minus 5 equals to what? First term is not given, so we have to find it, right? So n equal to how much? N is 18, right? 18, okay? 18 minus 1 times d, okay? Here minus 5, a plus, common difference is given, right? Yes, common difference is given. Common difference is what? Minus 3, close by bracket, okay? So it will be how much? first term plus 18 minus 1, that is what? 17. So minus 3. Okay, so minus 5. So plus into minus, minus first. Okay, first let us what is that? Work out as what is the sign, right? Okay, so 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is how much? That is 51, right? That is 51. Okay, fine. Let us transpose this one to the left hand side. So minus 5 comes here, and then it will be what? Turn into positive, right? So 51. Okay, minus, on transposing, occupy the place of what? Occupy the place of positive, right? So here it will be how much? 51 minus 5, how much it is? It will be 46. So what is the first term? That is the 46. Okay, so what comes here? 46. Right? Okay, fine. I'm doing Roman number 4. Okay, Roman number 4. What is that? Right here, given, what is that? First term. A equals to minus 18.9. So D equals to how much? 2.5. And then what is not given? Number of terms. Okay, number of terms is not given. Okay, and then what is given? N term is given. What is N term? A n equals to 3.6. Again you write, we have the same formula. Okay, we have N term is given by A n equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Therefore, let me write here. Okay, therefore what it is? N term is given, N term equal to 3.6. 3.6, so first term equal to how much? That is minus 18.9 plus N equals to how much? N is not given, so we have to find N, right? So D equals to how much? D equals to, we have 2.5. Okay? Okay, fine. Let us transpose this part. You can transpose this also, no problem. 3.6. On transposing this minus will turn into positive. Plus 18.9 equals to how much it is? 2.5 into n. So plus here also plus, here also plus. Both are positive, right? So 2.5 into n, that is 2.5 n, right? And then minus into it, so here it is positive, right? So negative will come. So 1 into 1 times 2.5, that is 2.5, right? Okay, fine. Again, let us, okay, so it will be how much? 2.5n minus 2.5. So here it will be how much? So here it is, here also before 1 digit, okay? Here also before 1 digit. So 6 plus 9, 15. So next, what is that? 1 in hand. 6 plus 9, that is given by what? 5 and 1 in hand. And then 3 plus 18. 3 plus 18, sorry, not 18. 3 plus 8, that is 11 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 8, 11, then 12. 1 in hand. And then 1 plus 1, that is 2. So before how many digits it will come? Okay, let me do here. 18.9 and then 3.6, right? 6 plus 9, that is 5, 1 in hand. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11, then 12, right? So it will be how much? 9 plus 6, 5, 1 in hand. 8 plus 3, that is 2. It will be 21 point. 6 plus 9, 15, 1 in hand. 8, 3. Okay, fine. So here 6 plus 9, that is how much? That is 5, 1 in hand, correct? So come to this. Okay, so 3 plus 8, that is 11, then 12. 1 in hand. So what is here? 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So before how many digit decimal will come? Before 1 digit, right? Okay, fine. Now, again, what we can do? Again, transpose this 22.5. On transposing it will take quite a place of what? It is positive 2.5 equals to 2.59. N, not 9, sorry. So 5 plus 5, there is 0, 1 in hand, 2 plus 2, 4, then 5. Okay? And then what will come? 2 will come. So 25 equals to 2.5 times n. That means n is given by 25. So it will be how much? 2.5. Okay, it will be how much? It will be how much? Next, there is Roman number 4. Okay, there is given. What is given? First term. Is the first term? Yes or no? First term, right? So a equals what? Minus 18.9, and then common difference d is how much? 2.5. And then what is given? N is not given. Therefore, n equals to question mark, right? N equals to question mark. N equals to question mark. And what is given? Any more? Yes, n term is given. A n equals to how much? 3.6. Then you write, we have the same formula. We have n term is given by a n equals to first term plus n minus 1 times of d, right? Therefore, let me write here a n equals to what? 3.6. First term equal to how much? That is minus 18.9. Okay, and then what is there? N minus 1. D equals to how much? 2.5, right? Okay, this is into. So let me write over here 3.6. So here plus 18.9. So equals to, it will be how much? N minus 1 times 2.5, right? So it will be how much? 6 plus 9, that is 5, 1 in hand. Okay? And then 3 plus 8, 11, then 12, right? 12, and then here 12, 1 in hand, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. So before how many decimal will come? Before 1, right? So it will be how much? N minus 1 times, and that is what? 2.5, and then n minus 1 equals to how much? That is 22.5 upon, that is 2.5, right? So it will be how much? How many times? How many times it will be? How many times? There is 9 times. Okay, so on dividing you get 9 times. So it is what? 9 times. Yes or no? So n minus 1 equals what? 9. And then, so what is that? On transposing this, transposing minus 1. So what we get? So positive, right? Okay. So plus 1. So it becomes equal to what? And time n equals to what? 10. What is the number of terms? What is the number of terms? That is 10. Right? 10. Okay, next. Roman number 5 given, what is that? Given a equals to 3.5 and then d equals to, what is this? 0 and then n equals to 105. Next, what is not given? N term is not given, that is question mark. Okay, therefore question mark. We have the same, by the same formula. Okay, that is that what it is. We have, what we have? N term is given by an equals what? A plus n minus 1 times d. Therefore n equal, we have to find an, right? Okay, an we have to, what is the first term? First term is 3.5 plus n equals how much? That is 105 minus 1 times d equals to what? That is 0, right? An equals what? 3.5 plus it will be what? 105 minus 1, that is 104 times 0. Okay, equals what? 3.5 plus, so 104 times 0, that is what? How much? That is 0. So n term is 3.5. That means 3.5 plus 0, that is 3.5, right? This is the answer. So what will come here? N term 3.5. Okay, n term will, what will be the n term? N term will be the n term will be 3.5. Okay, my dear. So before I begin, please pause the video and write it down, please. Okay, fine. I'm rubbing. So this Roman number 1 is for you, so you can do yourself easily. So it is very easy one. Okay, it is not that too hard, right? Okay, just you have to what? Just you must know. You have to know n formula of what? That is n term, right? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula that is applied here to work out these problems, right? Okay, fine. Okay, my dear, next let us continue the next problem. What is that? Question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following. Okay, choose the correct choice in the following. So these are the choice. Okay, choices are given. What are they? Option A, option B, option C, option D. So here, what is that? It should be capital D. Okay, so we have to what is that? We have to find out which is the correct one. Okay, we have to find out which is the correct one. So here it goes. So Roman number 1, 30th term of the 30th term. Okay, after this, so okay, so going what is that? 10, 7, 4. Okay, 10. So the common difference is 3 minus 3. It will be, and then it will be again minus 3 minus 3. What will come after that? What will come? And what will come? So what is that? You will come to know when we will be finding the common difference. Okay, you will understand about what is the sequence. How would be the sequence over here, right? So it is what decreasing order. So it is decreased by what? 3. Okay, what is their common difference? 3. That is minus 3. Correct? Okay. So here let us. Okay. First you write, what is that? Let, no need to let here. So in this AP, what is that? First term equal to what? There is no need to go beyond and beyond. Okay, so first term equal to 10 and then what is that? Number of terms. Okay, 30th term we have to find out. Okay, 30th term we have to find out. Here A equals to, okay, A equals to first term A1 That means A1 equals to A, there is 10, and then A2 equals to how much? There is 7, and then A3 equals to how much? There is 4, and then so on. Okay, and then so in this case, so what is given? N is also given. Why N is given? Because it is meant 30 term. We have to use with that. Okay, N equals to, it will be 30, right? And then what we have to find out? We have to find the 30 term of the AP, right? So therefore, common difference, there is D equals to, I'm writing in short, okay? So common difference is given by what? A2 minus A1, right? So just you find the difference, difference of what? The difference of the two consecutive terms. That is given by what? The common difference, correct? Because the question is already mentioned that the sequence is already in AP, right? Okay, fine. Therefore, D equals to how much? A2. A2 is how much? There is 7 minus A1. A1 equals to 10. So we got, there is minus 3, right? Now, what we have to find out? 30 term, right? We have an equals what? A plus n minus 1 times d, right? Then you write therefore since we have to find, therefore A30, right? N equals to how much we have written? So there's 30. A30 we are finding out, right? First term is given by how much? There's 10 plus. So n is equal to what? N is equal to 30. 30 minus 1 times d. D equal to how much? There is minus 3, right? So here, so 10 plus, so it will 30 minus 1, 29, right? 29 times minus 3. Okay, so it will be, so plus into minus, there is minus, right? 3 9s are 27, and then 3 9s are 27, 7 2 in hands, and then 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 8, 87, correct? Okay, fine. Then, so it will be how much? 87, first you subtract reversely, okay? 87 minus 10, that is 7, and then 8 minus 1, that is 7. So before a bigger number, what is there? Minus is there. So what is our correct answer? Our correct answer, beautiful answer is, this is the one. This is the correct answer. Okay? So answer will be what? Answer is what? It is C. Okay? So next, I'm doing the next one. What is that? Roman number 2. What is that? I will be writing here. Just you write. Okay. First, right. Given. What is given actually? The first term. What is the first term? First term is what? Minus 3. Okay. So we have to find the 11 term. The same way. Okay. A equals what? Minus 3. This is A1. A2 equal to how much? That is half. Negative of half. And then A3 equals to how much? There is 2. Okay? 2. And then so on. Right? So here, what is given? 11 term. We have to find 11 term, right? 11 term. So if it is 11 term, A11. Okay? If it is 11 term, that means N will be 11. Right? There, what is that? Therefore, common difference. D equals what? A2 minus A1. Right? Now you substitute the value. A2 equals what? There is half, minus half. And then what will come? This minus will come. A1 equal to what? There is minus 3. And then it will be how much? Minus and minus, there is plus, right? And then it will be how much? Take that, so maximum will be what? 2. 2 3s are 6 plus. That means what is here? There is 1 minus. So it will be how much? 5 by 2. What is our common difference? So D equals to is the one, right? And then again, what we write? What we can write? We have n term is given by a n equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of d, right? That is what. Okay. Therefore, what will be our n term? That means in that 11 term, right? Replace this n by 11. And then here first term is what? Minus 3 plus n will be 11 minus 1. D is what? 5 upon 2. Okay, so minus 3 plus, so it is what? 10. 10 minus 1, that is 10. Sorry, 11 minus 1, that is 10, right? So it will be 5 and 2. Got this? 5, right? Minus 3 plus 25. That means it is given by 22. What is our correct answer? Our 11th term is what? 22. Our correct answer is what? B. Okay? Our answer is what? B. Option B. Correct? I hope you understood. Okay, fine. Okay, my dear, before wrapping it up, please pause the video and write it down, please. Okay, fine.